and draw this. Now you get this as a center, this point. Okay, now put the this point on this and draw an arc like this. Use only semicircle. This other part you can discard it. Okay. Step number 3. Draw PD perpendicular to CB intersecting the semicircle at D. Okay. See this, PD perpendicular to this AB. Okay, and it intersects it at D. How to draw this? It's not that easy. See here, you have to put a compass point on this and draw a semicircle over here. From these 2 points which cut this line, again draw 2 arcs, and then join this point to this cutting of where the arcs intersect, and then intersect. This will be perpendicular. Mark it to the semicircle. Okay, it's not that easy. Next, with P as a center and PC as a radius, draw arcs to intersect the given circle at T and T dash. Now see this, with P as a center and PC as a radius, if you draw a circle, AP equals to PC, so it will touch this circle at this point AP and somewhere over here. So can tangents be drawn at any cost to this circle, because main circle is this? It can't be drawn, right? So therefore this step is wrong. It should be with P as a center and PD as a radius, and then you cut these circles, then it forms. So the correct step 3 is draw PD perpendicular to CB, that's okay, intersecting the semicircle at D with P as a center and PD as a radius. This is the correct step, not PC as a radius. Okay. So step 3 is wrong. Okay. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get his videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. They are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. We have separate videos for them. Sync behind those videos on a daily basis and you will learn them within 3 months. So keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.